The Akai MPK Mini is a revolutionary MIDI controller designed to bring music production to your fingertips, combining compact portability with an impressive range of features. Whether you're a professional producer, an aspiring musician, or a hobbyist creating music on the go, this device offers everything you need to transform your ideas into polished tracks. At its core, the MPK Mini features 25 velocity-sensitive keys, delivering a responsive playing experience for melodies, chords, and bass lines. The 8 dynamic backlit drum pads are perfect for finger drumming, sampling, or triggering loops, offering a tactile way to add rhythm and beats to your productions. Additionally, the 8 assignable rotary knobs provide precise control over parameters like effects, panning, and filter sweeps, giving you the power to sculpt your sound in real time. What sets the MPK Mini apart is its suite of advanced tools for creative expression. The integrated arpeggiator allows you to quickly create complex, rhythmic patterns, while the joystick controller offers intuitive pitch and modulation adjustments, giving your performances a dynamic edge. Despite its compact size, the MPK Mini doesn't compromise on connectivity or capability, featuring USB-powered plug-and-play functionality for seamless integration with any major DAW or music software. The package also includes a powerful software bundle, such as MPC Beats, which emulates the iconic MPC workflow, and virtual instruments like Air Hybrid 3 and sound libraries to kickstart your creativity. Whether you're crafting electronic beats, layering cinematic soundscapes, or experimenting with new genres, the Akai MPK Mini provides the tools to bring your ideas to life. Compact, lightweight, and designed for both studio and mobile setups, the Akai MPK Mini is the perfect companion for musicians and producers who demand versatility without sacrificing performance. It's not just a MIDI controller, it's a gateway to limitless creativity.